Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. So our lesson today is about linear combination. So objective in this topic, so find the linear combination of vectors from a given set. So sebagai contoh, nak mudah faham linear combination ni, contoh dia macam ni lah. Ni saya ambil contoh dalam bentuk nombor lah. Okay. So 5 is equal to 2 times by 3 plus 5 is equal to 1 times by 2 plus 2 times 3 over 2. Okay. So kalau macam ni, kita boleh kata 5 ni adalah linear combination daripada 2 dan 3 per 2. Sebab dia ada perkali ni kat depan ni. Okay, so tengok kat bawah ni definition dia. So definition, consider vectors u, v and w in R3 where u is equal to this one and v equal to this one and w is this one. So then 2u minus 3v plus w which is equal to this one. Okay, so sama dengan yang ni, 2 times 1, 2 negative 1, minus 3, 0, negative 4, 5, plus negative 2, 1, 5. And the answer is 0, 17, negative 9. Kenapa ada 2 negatif ni? Negative 2, minus 5, negative 7, 15. So negative 2 minus 15, negative 17 plus 8. Okay, so this one should be negative 9. So tak ada 2 kali negatif. Okay, so buang yang lagi satu ni. Ni pun sama. Okay, so 2 times vector u minus 3 times vector v plus w. Okay, so menghasilkan this one. Okay, so this vector. So therefore this vector is a linear combination of u, v and w. Okay, so sebab vector 0, 17 and negative 9, this one is produced from 2u plus 3v plus w. Okay. So definition dia yang sebenar, the real definition. Okay, so let S equal to v1, v2 and vn be a non-empty subset of a vector space V. A vector V in the vector space V, this one is a linear combination of the vector in S. Okay, so this V is a linear combination in S if it can be written in the form V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus until Cn Vn, where C1, C2 and Cn are scalars. Okay. So maksudnya vektor V ni boleh ditulis dalam bentuk satu pemalah darabkan dengan V1 tambah satu lagi pemalah darab V2 tambah dan seterusnya sampai lagi satu pemalah darabkan dengan Vn. So kita boleh kata V ni adalah linear combination daripada vektor dalam S. Okay. Okay, so example here. Okay, so tapi vektor V tu boleh in terms of macam ni, koordinat. Okay, so koordinat, sometimes matrices. Okay, so sometimes function or polynomial. Okay. So kita tengok example yang ni. So given two vectors u 0 to 1 and v equal to 1, 0, negative 2 in R3. So determine whether the given vectors below are linear combination of u and v. Okay, so first A, 2, negative 5. Okay, so kita nak check this 2, negative 2 and negative 5, this one is a linear combination of u and v or not. Okay, so from the definition of linear combination, okay, so we write down as this one. Okay, so 2, negative 5 is equal to 1 constant times vector u, which is 0 to 1, and plus second constant times vector v, which is 1, 0, negative 2. and then expand, so you have this one, and simplify, so you have C2 2C1 and C1 minus 2C2. Okay, so and then take out C2. Okay, so compare both sides. Okay, so left side and right side. Okay, so C2 is equal to 2, C2 equal to 2, and 2C1 is equal to negative 2, and C1 minus 2C2 is equal to negative 5. And then after that, take out the augmented matrix of this one. Okay, so nak keluarkan, so kita susun dulu 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, negative 2, and here is C1, C2 is equal to 2, negative 2, negative 5. Okay. Lepas tu ambil dia punya augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix is this one lah. Kita ambil yang depan ni dengan yang belakang. Okay, so we have this one. And then using the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, solve this augmented matrix untuk cari nilai C1 dengan C2. Okay, so first we need to have here leading number, leading 1. Okay, so kita kena ada leading 1, but here 0. And here what I can see, the row number 3 we have 1. So therefore what we need to do, row 3 interchange with row number 1. So I have 1, negative 2, negative 5. Here second row didn't touch, and last one 0, 1, 2. And then after that, make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so we use row number 2 minus 2 multiply row number 1 and put back at row number 2. So we have here 1, negative 2, negative 5, and here 2 minus 2 times by 1, 0, and 0 minus 2 times negative 2, which is 4, and negative 2 minus 2 times negative 5, so negative 2 plus 10, which is 8, and here 0, 1, 2, and then make it this one as leading 1. Okay, so make it become leading 1, so we use 1 over 4 times row 2 and put back at row number 2. Okay, so I have here 1, negative 2, negative 5, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2. Okay, and then make it here become 0. So I use here row number 3 minus row number 2 and put back at row number 3. So I have 1, negative 2, 0, 1, negative 5, 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then next, make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so I use row number 1 plus 2 row number 2 and put back at row number 1. Okay, so row number 1, 1 plus 2 times 0, okay, so still 1. And then negative 2 plus 2 times 1, which is 0. And negative 5 plus 2 times 2 become negative 1. And here is 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so from this one, we have C1 which is equal to negative 1, C2 which is equal to 2. Okay. So macam mana nak tengok C1, C2 ni? Patah balik yang atas tadi, kita ada 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. C1, C2 is equal to negative 1 to 0. Okay, so 1 row times by column. Okay, so row times by column, so you will have C1 times 1 C1, and 0 times C2 is 0, so C1 equal to negative 1. And then from second row times column, so we have 0 times C1 0, and then 1 times C2 is C2, so C2 equal to 2. Okay, so since we have the value of C1 and C2, okay, so kita boleh selesaikan. So therefore, apa tadi? So therefore, this matrix X, vector X, okay, so the vector X is the linear combination of U and V. Okay, so therefore X is equal to negative 1 U plus 2 V. So X is linear combination of vector U and V. And then B, next B. Okay, so we check whether this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is vector Y. Okay, soalan tadi dia vector Y kan, yang B. Okay, so vector Y. Okay, so we check whether this vector Y is a linear combination of vector U and V or not. Okay, kita check. How to check? So we need to solve for C1 and C2. Okay, so sama cara macam tadi. So you will have this one, comparing both sides. So C2 is equal to 1, 2C1 is equal to 2, and C1 minus 2C2 is equal to 3. And then transform into the augmented matrix. Okay, so sebelum transform, kalau tak nampak, kita ambil 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, negative 2 times with C1, C2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And then take the augmented matrix. Okay, so after that, so we need to solve this one using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Okay, so to use Gauss-Jordan elimination method, so first we need to have here leading 1, but here 0. So what I do, interchange with row number 3. So row 1 interchange with row number 3. So I have here 1, negative 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1 and 1. Okay, and then make it this one become 0. And here already 0, so tak payah fikirlah yang bawah ni sebab dia dah kosong. Okay, so to make it this one 0, so we use row number 2 minus by 2 row number 1, 2 times row number 1, and put back at row number 2. So we have here, okay, so 2 minus 2 times 1, which is 0. Okay, so 0, and then 0 minus 2 times negative 2, okay, so which is 0 plus 4, so 4, and then 2 minus by 2 times 3, so 2 minus 6, which is negative 4, and third row we didn't change, so 0, 1, 1, and then make it this one become leading 1. Okay, so to make it become leading 1, so we use 1 over 4 times by row number 2 and put back at row number 2. So we have here 1, negative 2, 3, 0. Okay, so 1 over 4 times 0, 0. And 1 over 4 times 4 is 1. Negative 4 times 1 over 4 is negative 1. And third row is 0, 1, 1. And then make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so I use row number 3 minus row number 2 and put back at row number 3. Okay, so I have here 1, negative 2, 3, 0, 1, negative 1. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then 1 minus negative 1 become 2. Okay, so you can see here the row number 3, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so if you have this form, okay, so if you have this form, so therefore there is no solution for C1 and C2. Okay, so therefore Y is not a linear combination of U vector U and vector V. Okay, sebelum tu yang ni kena jadikan kosong jugalah. Okay, so saya terlupa tertinggal. Okay, so this one make it become 0. Okay, so next another example. Yang ni kita tengok contoh vektor dalam bentuk polinomial. So express the polynomial px which is equal to 3 minus 6x plus 2x square as a linear combination of p1, p2 and p3, where p1 is 1, p2 is 1 and p3 is 1. Okay, so first we write down in term of linear combination. So vector p is equal to c1 times vector p1. Okay, so this one 1. And then plus C2 times vector P2, and then plus C3 times vector P3. Okay, and then expand C. Okay, so kembangkan C. So you will have this equation. And then after that, comparing both sides. So kanan dengan kiri. Okay, so constant with constant. So on the left side is 1, we have 3. Okay, so 3. And then the right side we have 2C1, and then plus C2, and then plus 3C3. Okay, so 2C1 plus C2 plus 3C3. And then next, coefficient of x. So coefficient of x. So here on the left side we have negative 6. Okay, so I put here negative 6. And then the right side we have here C1. Okay, so C1, and then 3C2, positive. Okay, so positive 3C2, positive 3C2, and then next, negative C3. Okay, so negative C3. Okay, and then next, coefficient of x power of 2. Okay, so I have here positive 2. Okay, so positive 2. And then on the right side, I have positive C1. Okay, so positive C1. And then positive 2C2. Okay, positive 2C2. And then last one, positive 5C3. Okay, so I have here three equation. Okay, so yang ni saya dah terbalikkan lah, daripada kanan pergi ke kiri. Okay, so after that, transform into augmented matrix. Okay, so nak transform, kita keluarkan dia punya matrix equation. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 5. And here is C1, C2, C3, which is equal to 3, negative 6 and 2. Okay. So this one the augmented matrix. Okay, so after that, using Gauss-Jordan elimination method to solve C1, C2 and C3. Okay, so first we need to have here leading 1. Okay, so make it become 1, but here 2. So what I do? Okay, so jangan bahagi 2 lah. So kalau bahagi 2, nanti sini 1/2, 3/2, 3/2. So akan jadi pecahan. Okay, so biasa nak kira yang pecahan ni susah sikit lah, complicated. Okay, so therefore what I do, I interchange with row number 2. Okay, so interchange with row number 2. So row 1 interchange with row number 2. So I have here 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6. Then here 2, 1, 3, 3. And then 1, 2, 5, 2. Then next we make it, this one become 0. And this one also become 0. So therefore we use row number 2 minus by 2 row number 1 and put back at row number 2. And then for the third row, so we use row number 3 minus row number 1 and put back at row number 3. Okay, so I have here first row didn't change, so 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6. Then row number 2, so row number 2 minus 2 row 1. So 2 minus 2 times by 1 becomes 0. Then 1 minus 2 times by 3, so 1 minus 6, negative 5. Then 3 minus by 2 times negative 1, so which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. And then 3 minus by 2 times negative 6, so 3 plus 12, which is 15. Okay. And then for third row, row 3 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 3, negative 1. 5 minus negative 1 become 6. Then 2 minus negative 6, so 2 plus 6, which is 8. Okay, so next make it this one as leading 1. Okay, so to make it this one become leading 1, so I use negative 1 over 5 times by row number 2 and put back at row number 2. So I have here 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6. And then here 0 times negative 1 over 5, 0. Negative 5 times negative 1 over 5 become 1. 5 times negative 1 over 5 become negative 1. And 15 times negative 1 over 5 is negative 3. And third row 0, negative 1, 6 and 8. And then after that, make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so we use row number 3 plus row number 2. So negative 1 plus 1 become 0. And put back at row number 3. So I have here, okay, so 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6. And then 0, 1, negative 1, negative 3. 0 plus 0, 0. Negative 1 plus 1, 0. 6 plus negative 1, 5. And then 8 plus negative 3 is 5. And then making this one become 1. Okay, so to make it this one become 1, so I use row number 3 times with 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 times row number 3 and put back at row number 3. So I have 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 3. Then 0, 0, 0 times 1 over 5, 0. 0 times 1 over 5, 0. Then 5 times 1 over 5 is 1. And again here 1. Then making this one become 1 and 1. Okay, so for the second row, so row number 2 plus row number 3 and put back at row number 2. And same for row number 1. So row number 1 plus row number 3 and put back at row number 1. So we have here, first row didn't change, so 1, 3, negative 1, negative 6. And here is 0. Row 2 plus row 3 put back at row number 2. So 0 plus 0 Saya salah dah. Okay, so for the row number 1, so row number 1 plus row number 3 and put back at row number 1. So 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 0 is 3, negative 1 plus 1, 0, negative 6 plus 1, negative 5. And then second row plus third row, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, negative 1 plus 1, 0, and negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. And here is 0, 0, 1, 1. And then next, make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so we use row number 1 minus by 3 row number 2 and put back at row number 1. Okay, so we have 1 minus 3 times 0 is 1, 3 minus by 3 times 1 which is 0, and 0 minus by 3 times 0 become 0, and then negative 5 minus by 3 times negative 2, so negative 5 plus 6 which is 1, and second row is 0, 1, 0, negative 2, third row 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so so from this one, C1 is equal to 1, C2 is equal to negative 2, and C3 is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore, vector P is a linear combination of vector P1, P2, and P3. Okay. So where P is equal to, so C1 times P1, so 1 times P1, so P1, and then C2 times P2, negative 2, P2, and C3 times P3, so we have 1 P3. Okay. Okay, contoh lagi. Okay, so this one vector in terms of matrices. Okay, so determine whether the matrix F equal to this one is a linear combination of the matrices A equal to this one, A, B, and C. Okay, so this one actually should be vector. Okay, vector. Okay, so this one also vectors. Okay, so to determine whether this F is a linear combination of A, B, C, so we write down as F is equal to C1 times A plus C2 times B plus C3 times C. And then expand C1, C2, and C3, and then we collect. So here's C1 plus negative C2, and then plus 2C3. For the second element, 2C1, okay, so 2C1 plus 1C2 plus 1C3. Then third one, here, so 0C1, so 0 lah, tak ada kat sini. And then 3C2, positive 3C2 plus negative 3C2. And then fourth one, negative 1C1, so negative C1 plus 2C2, okay, so positive 2C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C3. And then comparing both sides, so left side and right side, so we have C1 minus C2 plus 2C3, which is equal to 5, and then 2C1 plus C2 plus C3, which is equal to 4, and then 3C2 minus 3C3, which is equal to negative 6, and last one, negative C1 plus 2C2 plus 4C3, which is equal to 0. And then find the augmented matrix. Okay, so to find the augmented matrix, so we first augmented matrix pula. augmented matrix. So first we need to have the matrix equation. Okay, so take out the matrices A, 1, -1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 3, -3, and -1, 2, 4. And here we have C1, C2, and C3, which is equal to 5, 4, -6, 0. Okay, and then take the augmented matrix. Okay, so after that we solve C1, C2, C3 by Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Okay, so to do the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, so first we need to have here leading 1. So here already leading 1. Okay, done. And then after that we make it this one 0. Here also 0, but here already 0, and here also 0. Okay, so to make it that one becomes 0, so we do row number 2 minus by 2 times row number 1 and put back at row number 2. And then for the fourth row number 4, -1 plus 1. So plus row number 1 and put back at row number 4. So we have here first row didn't change, so 1, -1, 2, 5. And then here 2, so 2 minus 2 times by 1, 0. And then 1 minus by 2 times -1, so 1 plus by 2, which is 3. Then 1 minus by 2 times by 2, so 1 minus 4, which is -3. And then 4 minus by 2 times 5, so 4 minus by 10, which is -6. Then third row didn't change, so 0, 3, -6. And fourth row, so we have here -1 plus 1, so row 4 plus row 1, so -1 plus 1, 0. 2 plus -1, which is 1. And 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then 0 plus 5, which is 5. And then making this one as a leading 1. But here, since I can see here we have 1, so why not we change row number 2 and row number 3. Okay, so change row number 2 with row number 3. So therefore we have here row number 4. So row 2 interchange with row number 4. So I have here 1, -1, 2, and 5. And here is 0, 1, 6, and 5. Here 0, 3, -3, -6. And row number 4 is 0, 3, -3, -6. Then next make it this one become 0, and here also become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so what I do, so we need to do row number 3 minus by 3 times row number 2 and put back at row number 3. And then same for the row number 4. Okay, so we have here so first row didn't change, 1, -1, 2, 5. And here 0, 1, 6, 5. And here 0 minus 3 times 0, 0. 3 minus by 3 times 1 becomes 0. -3 times -3 minus 3 times 6, so -3 minus 18. Okay, so -3 minus 18, -21. And here -6 minus by -6 minus by 3 times 5, so -6 minus by 15. Okay, also -21. Okay, next, so row number 4, so same things, so 3 times by 3 minus 3 times 1, 0. -3 minus by times 6, -21. and then negative 6 minus by 3 times 5, negative 21. And then make it this one become 1. And also here, since sebenarnya kita boleh buat serentak nih, sini jadi 1 and here become 0. Kenapa boleh buat serentak? Sebab nombor dia dah sama lah. Okay, so kalau nombor sama, contoh atas 3 bawah 3, so baik kita buat je terus. Sebab 3 tolak 3 senang kan, 3 tolak 3 jadi kosong. So this one negative 2 minus by negative 2 become 0. Okay, so that's why we make it simultaneously. Okay, so here become 1. How to make it become 1? So we use negative 1 over 21 times with row number 3 and put back at row number 3. And fourth row, so we do row number 4 minus by row number 3 and put back at row number 4. Okay, so we have here, so first row didn't change, so 1 negative 1 2 5, and here 0 1 6 5, and here 0 times negative 1 over 2 0, here also 0. Negative 21 times negative 1 over 2 is 1. Negative 21 times negative 1 over 2 is 1. And last row, row number 4, so 0 0. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, so 0 0. Then negative 21 minus negative 21, 0. Then negative 21 minus negative 21 become 0. And then after that, make it this one become 0 and this one become 0. Okay, so to make it that one become 0, so we use row number 1 minus by 2 row number 3 and put back at row number 1. For the second row, so row number 2 minus 6 row number 3 and put back at row number 2. Okay, so we have here, so fourth row didn't change, so 0 0 0. Row also didn't change. Okay, so second row, row number 2 minus 6 row number 3, so 0 minus 6 times 0 0. 1 minus 6 times 0 is 1. 6 minus by 6 times 1 0. 5 minus 6 times 1 negative 1. Row number 1 1 minus 2 times 0 1. Negative 1 minus 2 times 0 become negative 1. And then 2 minus by 2 times 1 0. 5 minus by 2 times 5. Okay. So 5 minus by 2 times by 5 negative 5. Betul? Kejap. Salah. Okay, so 5. Okay, so saya silap. Okay, so 5 minus by 2 times 1. Row number 3. Saya bagi buat row number 2 pula. Okay, so 5 minus by 2 times 1, which is 3. And then make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, negative 1 plus by 1. So I do row number 1 plus row number 2 and put back at row number 1. So we have here 1 plus 0 is 1, negative 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus negative 1 is 2. And here 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And here first row for C1, second row for C2, and third row is C3. Okay, so 1 times C1, 0 times C2, 0 times C3 is equal to 2. So therefore, since C1 is equal to 2, and then second row is 1 C2, so C2 is equal to negative 1 and C3 is equal to 1. So So since C1 equal to 2, C2 equal to negative 1, C3 equal to 1, so matrix, alamak hilanglah pula, saya tulis balik. Okay, dah terabur dah. Okay, tak apa, tadi last kali we have this kind of matrix which is implies to C1 equal to 2, C2 equal to negative 1, and C3 equal to 1. Okay, so since we have C1, C2, C3, so therefore matrix F is also matrix F is equal to 2 times A minus 1 times B plus 1 times C. So therefore F is a linear combination of A, B, and C. Okay. So I think this is the last example. Okay. So that's all for our lesson today. So thank you and Assalamualaikum.